Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evidence, and in today's video I am going to show you how to set up an HTML document manually and how to set it up automatically. And let's get right to it. So whenever I am programming, I mostly use two softwares. I use Adobe Dreamweaver as my code editor, and I also use Visual Studio Code. So to begin with, I'm going to go to Dreamweaver now. And now that I am in Adobe Dreamweaver, to start a new HTML document, you just go to File, New, and you see many different lists of things to choose from here. And in this case, I'm going to choose HTML. And you can choose to use Bootstrap, or you can just go None and just create a blank document. And I'm just going to call this Index. And you can attach your CSS document here, or you can just create a blank document. In this case, we'll just create a blank document, and you click Create. And as you can see in Adobe Dreamweaver, it puts in the heading document for you automatically. So this is called a boilerplate. This is how you set up an HTML document. So the computer will know that this is an HTML document and read it as an HTML document. But I'm going to show you how to set this up manually and what each of these means. I'm going to show you how to set up manually. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So in Visual Studio Code, you can just click File, New to create a new document, or if you want to add your file to a particular folder that you have open, you click here, right click, and it says New File, and it adds that new file onto this particular folder. And I'm going to call this new file index.html and click Enter. As you can see, Visual Studio Code recognizes this is an HTML document. So to set up an HTML document, you have to first type in what is called a declaration, and you type this like this. So this line right here is called declaration, and basically this tells the computer what type of document it is. So whenever you put this on the web, the computer will know this is an HTML document. So this is an HTML declaration. And on the next line, you want to type in the words HTML. And then when you click Enter, you do this /HTML. And basically everything that you put in an HTML document has to go between this. So every single thing, an image, a paragraph, whatever it is you're doing in HTML, has to go between this opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. And after you type in your HTML tag, the first thing you want to do is set up your head. So you do that by typing head and click Enter and opening /head. And in between, everything that it is in the head area does not show up on the website itself. So in between this heading areas where you will link your CSS, and in a different video I am going to show you how to link CSS. And in between this heading area is also where you will put in your title, the title of the web page, and that's the next thing we are going to do. So you type in your title, Enter, or let me just say web page title. This is the title of your web page, and the title of the page goes right here. This is where the title of the page goes. And that's how you set up the head of your HTML document. So if you want to link your CSS document, you can do it on the next line. And in a different video, I'll cover how to link CSS to HTML documents. So after the heading area, next thing you want to do is the body. So everything now that you put inside the HTML document has to go in between the body of the document. So you have the HTML wrapping up everything, then you have the head. Anything inside the head doesn't show up on the website, and then you have the body. Everything that shows up on the website is contained within the body area. And on this body area, we can add something like paragraph. Now let's do heading. And let's add a paragraph here. It says, I love coding. So anything that is here will show up on the website, and anything that is here will not show up on the website, to show up as a title. And this is how you set up an HTML document. You have the HTML tag, you have the heading tag to contain your title, and to contain to link your CSS documents or anything like that. And then you have the body tag that contains everything that goes on the website. So we can actually preview this website now, and I'm going to show you this. So copy path, and if we go here and click enter, I need to save it first. Control save, and go here again, reload this. As you can see, hello world that I put right here, this hello world is my H1, and this P is my coding. As you can see, the first thing that I put on the title, like this web page title, doesn't show up. Like if this was actually online, this file is not actually online, it is on my local machine here. If this was actually online, then it will have the web address here, and you can see web page title, which is the title that I put and shows up here. And I'm going to split the screen here so you see web page title, hello world, I love coding, hello world, I love coding. So this is how you set up an HTML document: heading area, body area. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And don't forget to follow me on social media at Evidence and Media. And I'm going to show you here. Yes, follow me on social media at Evidence and Media. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.